back playing some more Roblox, and today we are playing Pet Story. There are food bowls around the map that allow you to heal. Alright. Waiting for players to load. Pet Story. I'm skipping this. This is not important. Eoink, eoink. Collecting them all, collecting them all, collecting them all, collecting them all. Oh, and also, I've been collecting eggs. They seem like eggs. Just gotta find 2 more. Can't wait to find out what happens. One more. One more. Woof! Hey! You must be the new pets. Okay. My name is Canella. I found all of them. This is what humans call adoption center. You were rescued by Susie. She's the human in the counter. Guess that means that one I passed. She doesn't understand our language. Believe me, we've already tried. But she takes good care of us. Liar! Humans are disgusting. You need people in the earth. That's Slicer. Stay away from that dog. He's in the cage for a reason. You will be here forever, just like me. I've heard they were going to take him to the deadly shelter. Once a pet goes there, it never comes back. That's what they all say, just to a lot of things like that. But you don't have to worry about that. Anyways, have some fun. Susie says we can walk around and explore the place. A car arrives. Someone's getting adopted. Alright, buddies, we got a visitor. Remember to be a good pet. You mean good pets. I got this character. A yellow dog with a blue hat. Granny? Good morning, sweetie. My name is Gartrudis, but you can call me Granny. Well, hello, Granny. Would you like to adopt a pet today? Sure thing. I love pets. Awesome. Follow me then. Oh, better be a good boy. That that's Canella. She is super friendly and cheerful. That's me right there, sitting. I'm being respectful. That's Yazak Kid. It is very friendly and is very sensitive. That's Maddie. It sheds a lot and adopts well. That's Mark. It is very sensitive and adopts well. That's Imposter. Imposter, like imposter. It is very sensitive and sheds a lot. That's Jahari Dino Boy. Yeah, that's me. It gets mad easy and sheds a lot. Yeah, that's kind of true. That's Slicer. He is very aggressive. It's actually his last week with us. That's all we have for now. Yeah, that's kind of true. I do get mad kind of easy. But I don't know about shedding a lot. Which one would you like to take home? I'm taking all of them. Whoa, are you sure? Yes, dear. I could use some company. Oh, I'll set them. Get in the back of Randy's truck. I can't read that. I can't read that fast. Man, I'm already in. Canelo. Oh yes. Time to go home. Welcome home. Go ahead and explore the house. Hopefully you find the pet sleeping room for later. I think I found it. Is it Misty? Dogs taste cats. Come here. Hey, get over here. You must be the new pets. Welcome. Ow, don't hurt me. I'm nice. Dogs chase cats. Oh, good point. Haha, dumb cat. I hate pigeons. You hate pigeons? Have you ever heard of the terror bird? Anyways, I need your help. I'll talk to you at night, okay? I have a special bedtime, apparently, so I don't know about that. Wait, it's the weekend. Alright. Plus, I'm a dog. Alright, go ahead. Alright, I think it's becoming night. It's becoming night. Granny is going to sleep. Okay, so what were you going to talk to us about? Now, this is going to creep you out a little bit. But every night, when Granny goes to sleep, what happens? The house gets infested by cockroaches. Ugh. Cockroaches? Ew. You need to help me kill them. I'm up for the job. Just make sure not to touch them when they fly. Sure thing. Our time has come. I think that's them. Get every last breadcrumb from this house, soldiers. Oh no, it's starting. Please, you gotta kill them. Die, cockroach. Am I the only one killing cockroaches? What's going on? Why does it seem like I'm the only one killing cockroaches? They're not flying. How am I suffering. Very low energy. How is this possible? Alright, die. They're not flying. 8 more cockroaches left. It's casual. Oh my god, I started flying. Okay, I'm suffering. One more cockroach. Can somebody kill it for me? So it seems like because I am literally about to die. Alright, it's dead. Wow, you really killed all the cockroaches. What is all that noise? Uh-oh. Granny is mad. You better get back here and play sleep. Nothing to see here. We're just sleeping soundly. Shh. Shh. Wait, don't dance while you're sleeping, little psychos. Must be my bad dreams again. Good, because I'm suffering. Well, we're stuck in here now. Stuck! You can't even hunt. Don't you have anything better to do? Yeah, I agree. Leave us alone. Go hunt a rubber duck. Oh, I'm getting mad now. We should teach that thing a lesson. Yeah, I agree. Go after the pigeon. Let's try unlocking the window. Unlock. You know I was not being serious, right? Should have said that earlier. You're done for. Do you realize how much trouble you're in? Not as much as you are. Wait, what? No! I'm suffering. I hope I survive. This video might be kind of long. Oh, I need to refuel. That's me right there. I'm surprised that there are health bowls in the dump yard. Find a way to leave this place. We need to get back home. I need to heal up is what I need to do. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fight I don't think I'm gonna be able to fight anymore. How am I floating like this? Okay, I'm still kind of suffering, but I think we can do this. Okay, find a key. This door is locked. If we find a key, we can open the gate. I found it! There's no key right there. Whoa, rat! My key! Ha ha ha! Hey, we need that! Oh, you want this? tell you, my family is really hungry. We could use some food. You know what I'm saying? Wait, are we the food? Okay, you guys gotta kill the rats for me because I am on low health. Are they even killing? Stay away from the rats. Stay away from the rats. Stay away from the rats. Okay. Yep, they're killing. Okay, can some dogs help me out over here? Dump yard is known as rat territory, so I guess I should get used to nope to getting in seeing a place that's infested with rats. Oh my god. Rats are oh my gosh. How rats are like falling from the sky. What? Okay, I'll be safe over here. I'll be safe over here. Seven more rats left. Yes, guys, kill for me, please. I am suffering. Guys, help me out. Can someone kill these two rats up here? Please? But what, they're already dead. Yes! What did you do to my family? You want this key? You are gonna have to catch me. I think we already caught you. He already caught you. Catch. That's what's up. Thank you for that. Take the key. The gate button should be inside the room. Great. Open the gate so we can get out of here. Okay, let me do that. Gate opening. Alright, let's go. Canelo, wait up. Where are we? Walk to no. Let's talk to the bus driver. Mr. Driver, we need help. Oh, please, call me Shelly. What can I help you with? We're lost. Is there a chance you could take us back home? I'd be happy to. Great. Thank you. But I would need your help in exchange. The evil hyenas took over the zoo where I live. If you help us restore the peace, I will happily take you back to your home. A deal is a deal. Got it. We have a deal. Thank you so much. Everyone, hop in the bus. Gonna get up here. And now I'm gonna sit. Being respectful. I don't think that's how you sit. Oh well. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, everyone, buckle up. We're getting out of here and into the zoo. All right. Welcome to the Bloxy York Zoo. Look for Penny the elephant. She will tell you where to go. I'm gonna get all of this. This is amazing. Amazing. Are you here to help? I'm so glad you are here. The evil hyenas are taking over the zoo. They are scaring all the innocent animals, so we do not want to stay. You need to do something about it. We will save those little turtles. I don't think it's just the turtles. But how do we get there? If you find the lever that opens my door, I will help you get across. Oh yes, I get to fuel some more. Hey, let me get some of this. I'm important. Hey, give me that. Give me that. Hand that over. That's mine. Get over here. Yeah. Nice. Follow me. The quickest way is through the monkey area. I'm gonna get this first. Please let me get these. Jump over my head. Be careful in there. Monkeys be throw banana peels. The elephants and the giraffes get to connect with each other in exhibits. Wow. No, let me get them. Let me get them. No, please. Oh my god. Monkeys know you are in here. Don't throw banana peels at me, please. Monkeys, no, please. I'm just a little doggy. All I want is to save the zoo and then get back home plus survive. Ow! I'm just continuously getting more health and then losing it again. Those are some really annoying monkeys. Let's go. The turtles need our help. Oh, great. Another locked gate. I have an idea, but you're not going to like it. I think that is going to be our way through. The alligator's place. That sign is a danger sign, Canella. If we're going in there, we gotta be careful. All right, let's barge in, I guess. Wow, you fell in the crosswater? No, I didn't. Bro, I didn't even touch it. What was that for? Oh my god. I think it's just trying to make me suffer for a lot. Oh my god. They're right there. Hey! Leave those turtles alone! What a pleasant surprise! We'll make sure to eat you first. Okay, no. Okay, no. Okay, no. Gotta be careful. Miss me. Ow. Okay, you got me. No. Ow. Oh my god. Die. Nope. Yes! We beat him! Wait until the boss finds out. Thanks for saving us. The hyenas are just following orders. If you beat their boss, they will have nobody to follow. And they will surrender. Let's find that boss. Should we sneak inside the aquarium or stick to the other gate? Aquarium. Aquarium. Let's do aquarium. Aquarium. Let's stick to the gate. It's easier to go in. What? No aquarium! Aquarium. And the other gate it is. A little bird told me you are here to take what is mine. I'll have to show you why the lion is the king of the zoo. Nope. Ah! Spikes, slashes. Usually when red head parts of the ground don't show up, it means that there are spikes coming out. So yeah, that's why. What was that? Watch out. Nope, you are not touching me. Fear the roar of the lion. We're not afraid of nothing, I'll tell you that. We're not afraid to be we're not afraid to go into your mouth, but we won't. What we will do is beat you up, which we're also not afraid to do. So you better what do they call it? You better surrender. Don't touch it. Don't touch me. Guys, dodge his attacks, and then when he's tired, attack. Give him the power of the dog. It's one big dumb cat versus four little. There's only there can only be one king of the zoo. Oh, we don't want to be the king of the zoo. We want you to stop messing with the zoo people. Oh my god, no! He's dead! Error. So the person's failed because something went wrong. Okay, and Charles, please try again later. Okay. Oh my god. That'd be so dangerous. Better be careful. Careful. Nope. Oh yeah. That's a lot in this. I'll tell you that. There's a lot in this going on. Ow. Alright, it's coming for me. It's coming for me. Where are you running, pesky little pup? Who are you calling pesky? I killed the rest of them. And now I want revenge. Canella, help me out! Time to die! Okay, stop! You win. The Lion Brothers would be ashamed of me. Hooray! You restored the peace in the zoo. In the name of all the animals, we are grateful. No problem. We are happy to help. Does that mean we can go back home now? Yep. Shelly will be taking you back home on the bus. You know what to do, Shelly. We hope to see you again someday. Even the Crocs are. You try to attack us, Crocs. Alright, we did it, y'all. Let's head back home on the bus. Are we gonna go home? Shelly, I'm waiting. Maybe he needs Canella. Canella! Canella, Canella! Canella! Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!